Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the Wall Street Journal app on your phone so you only get notifications about the news you care about. Let's get started. First, open the Wall Street Journal on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile at the bottom right of your screen and then click on Manage Push Notifications. This is where you can control what types of article the app sends you. You will see a different categories like breaking news, market, business, politics, lifestyle, and more. Simply toggle on the topic you want to be notified about and toggle off the ones you don't. Some categories may let you choose how often you get notified. Pick what works best for you so you don't feel overwhelmed. Once you have made your selections, just go back. The app will now only send notifications for the topic you have chosen, and that's it. That's how you customize Wall Street Journal notification on your phone so you can only hear about the stories you care about. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.